Hello everybody, today I'll present you a reballing class, a short class with a lot of tricks that I've learned in the last 10 years of experience. In our workshop, we have changed hundreds of integrated circuits using this technique. For my point of view, this is the best technique that we know of with a 100% success rate. In the first step, we apply a little heat to warm up the integrated circuits. Now we put the cheap quick flux. We use low temperature paste flux amperage. With the tip of the soldering iron at 350 Celsius degrees, we go over the pads without pressing. We just have to go over it with the soldering iron so we can remove the excess of the solder lead. We clean with isopropyl alcohol and a little cotton. We don't have to clean it 100% the solder lead from the integrated circuits. With the help of this solder lead that remains, the new solder will grip much better. We use kitchen paper to place the integrated circuit on top. For reballing, we have a cheap stencil. I don't like 3D stencils or the expensive one. I prefer that the balls stays big. In the description of the video, I'm going to leave you the link of the stencil and the solder lead. In the next step, we have to wipe the solder lid with a kitchen napkin. I like to dry it 3 times. Once dried, we are going to apply it on the top of the integrated circuit. We hold the stencil with tweezers and apply 183 Celsius degree solder lead with the help of a plastic tool. We use a heat station at 300 Celsius degrees and 40% air. I use this technique. From a distance, I move the nozzle a little closer to the stencil. When the solder lid has melted, I remove the air station. In order to properly remove the integrate circuit from the stencil, we apply a little flux and heat again. Now the circuit is easy to remove. This is the end result, large balls of the same size. At the end of this video, I'd like to thank you for being there, for sharing our videos, and see you in the next classes. Bye bye.